Morning guys, Matt from Gold Coast Plumbing Experts here. We're on site in Hope Island today at a customer's house. They've got a large flat roof that's been dodgily sealed with a variety of different attempts, bad silicone, home handyman kind of thing going on. So what we're doing is we're on site today, we're using a high quality waterproofing compound, and we're taping it up using the bandage, and they're all flashing joints to stop any further roof leaks. So if you've got any other questions about it, about any roof leaks or anything, just give us a shout. We'll check back with you with the finished product. Hey guys, just checking in now. We've got so we've sealed up all these areas over there. So now we're just going to pull this tape off after the membrane's dried, and we're going to get just tidy up and start on the next section.
Call Gold Coast Plumbing Experts on 1300 600 632